Alright buddy, today we got these cute dinosaur Hot Wheels cars. So dinosaurs, let's start with the first one. First up, we got Motosaurus. So here it is. And the spikes, you can actually hold them. They're like some kind of rubber. It dropped pretty well, I have to say. Yeah, I have to say. I'm not the first one that has the whole collection. Okay, then we have Fangesters. The pink fence. So this pink fence, it draws pretty well also. This one draws better. This one is much more heavier than this one. Not awful. But it has a lot of detail on it. The wheels are pretty cool. It has those fangs around it. Yeah. Even the fangs are teeth. I see why they call it Fangster. Next, we have T-rextroyer. So, he's pretty cool, yeah. He has the same wheels as this one. They have the same wheels. It's got, actually, this is the lightest one so far. Yeah, this is the lightest one so far. Okay, he has some jaws, as you can see, some jaws. Can you see he's like arms? Like supposed to be little because he's a T-Rex. Yeah, and he draws pretty well. Fangster purple. Purple Fangster. Fangster purple or purple Fangster. You can call them whatever you want. Fangster purple or purple stuff. So this guy, like, he has all the same detail. Just like look at the color. Just the color is different. These like things are different. And this one has like some green and green between the like fangs. See those things? It has some green and this one is just plain. Yeah, so that's like all the things that... No, and this one, it doesn't have anything on its head, just plain. And this one, it has these like things on its head. Yeah, that's why these things are different. No, I'm setting them in order I took them out. And I'll do Tricera-Truck. Yeah, the Tricera-Truck. Tricera-Truck. This one is actually, wait. Yeah, this one is the heaviest so far. It draws pretty well, like this. I'm gonna charge. This one is a Tricera-Truck, so it charges instead of ramps. So like this. It goes straight up. It never goes down. That's why it charges. It can only go like this. Not like that. Gotta keep going like this. because it's charged. You know Triceratops charged. You know that. This thing is cool, like it has those. Video, please subscribe to the channel and give a big thumbs down below in the comments. Bye!